Hey, hello friends, good morning. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. A lot of you are inbox me, a lot of you are requesting me that for making a video about using transportation application. I mean, actually, how to transport and how to understand the transportation system from one city to another city in Germany. So today I'm going to show you who are new in Germany how to use DB Navigator, BZI application and Ambigo application in Germany. So first of all, I am telling you who you are in Germany new, you don't know how to find the way of visiting somewhere, way of journey, so by which bus you will go there, by which train you will go there, so how to go there, you don't know. So today I'm going to show you, and this is very important, because if you don't know the way of finding transportation, you would face several problems, like you will not go your place in time, you will face problem, you will also go the wrong way. So yeah, this is very important who are new in Germany. After buying your Deutschland ticket, I already told you and already uploaded video about Deutschland ticket. After buying a Deutschland ticket, the first thing for you to understand how to find location from DB Navigator. So this is DB Navigator application, and you will install this application from Play Store or Apple Store or whatever. You will get everywhere this application, no problem. Go to DB Navigator and see there is a two bar search bar on the top of this application. So first of all, you have to set up if I am showing you, this is my DB Navigator and this is my profile. Yeah, this is my profile. This is journeys, and this is booking. So first of all, click here and active fast connection. This may off, so you must have to on this, and then done, and then click the D-ticket service. Here there are a number of services here, so I am telling you that you have to click on the D-ticket service. This D-ticket service means that only Deutschland ticket service. This is very important. Otherwise you would see ICE service, which is not covered by Deutschland ticket, I mean monthly ticket, then you will have to pay. Otherwise, if you will not if you want to, I mean only Deutschland ticket cover the public transport, I mean actually government transport in Germany. They do not cover any other private services. ICE is bullet train, and you will not get the opportunity to use ICE by Deutschland ticket. So this is why I am telling you that on the D ticket, this two thing is very important for you, and not on the second one and third one. This must be off. After that, there is a two search bar on the top of the application. So here you will click this is the first thing where you are staying right now. So current position, write down here your current position, or you can share your current position from your location from your application if it's already shared by GPS. Then you will search here where you want to go. For example, I am in Munich, so I want to go Ingolstadt. This is the another city of Germany. So I want to go Ingolstadt Audi. So how to show the connection, and first one is your location where you are staying. You can share also your the present location by clicking current position, and you can on the down of the search bar, you have to write down where you want to go, then search. Okay, so extremely sorry for that, I forget to on the DND mode. Okay, no problem, let's see. Yeah, see, actually there is a lot of connection, they are showing, so I am also tell you how to understand which connection will be helpful for you. See, actually first connection, there is a four transfer. If I am telling you, there is a four transfer, and second one four transfer, third one is three transfer. So how to understand how you take your transport. So first one is the fast, so faster, and I mean actually the nearest time of your present time. So see, actually I am in München Sandeling Ostberg Zeitelstrasse 9. Okay, I mean actually Zeitelstrasse 9. I am here. So nearest the bus station is Fluzergasse München. Fluzergasse München is the nearest bus station. I am really sorry because of this. I am in Germany, so this is why these places in Germany, and I also don't know the correct pronunciation of these places. So see, actually I have to walk. 6 minutes. So you are here. So how you go this place? I am showing you how you will get the bus station. You will search it to your Google map how you will go, because you may new in Deutschland or any other countries, so you would face also problem. You will not getting this bus station. So here flows are Gasse. This is Flozergasse. You see from your Google map the direction and click the direction. Here they are showing like 9 minutes, 8 minutes. Yeah, it will
turn left onto Zielstadtstrasse.
Then see, actually they are showing, then recenter it, then you will see, actually see, you will, when you will move on, I mean actually I have to go by this straight. See, you will go, and then this is the place where you will get the bus station. And from here, first of all you have to walk 6 minutes or 7 or 8 minutes, then you will go this bus station, and you will take the bus on 8:33. Must remember, especially I am telling about Deutschland, I mean Germany, the bus and transportation is so strict. They will not delay. Unfortunately, sometimes they would delay, but usually they do not delay. They will come even 1 or 2 minutes ago. So this is why I am telling you that try to make sure you are in the bus station or train station before 3 or 5 minutes ago of your destination time, or their fixed time. This is 8:33. It may go from this station 8:30. So yeah, must remember it. First of all, you will walk by foot, or walk on foot this station, then you take this bus, and after, yeah, see that actually after 4 station you will get Haras Munchen, and it may reach there 8:41. Yeah, in 8:41 you will reach in Haras Munchen. And I am also showing you that in all maximum Germans transportation have board. I mean in the board they will show you that where they are staying, after which station you will go your destination. Yeah, see the, I mean actually board on the top of the bus or train or any other public services. Yeah, then you go the Haras, you what it's called, you back down, or uh, you go out from your train, sorry, your bus, fast bus, Haras Munchen. Then you have to walk for 3 or 2 minutes, and you will get Munchen Haras platform number 1. PI1 means that train station. In some train station there are many platforms, if I am telling you. So in the first of all you have to go Haras Munchen, then you will see there are train station, train station platform. There would may many platform on the train station. So then you will go the platform number 1, and from platform number 1 the train will leave at 8:45, and you will take the train name is BRB 58. Yeah, must focus the name of the train, because this is very important for you. If you will not do it, then you would faces problems. So I am telling you, yeah, this is very easy. This is not so hard task. This is very easy. And then PI1 Munchen, after 2 station it will reach Munchen Hauptbahnhof, and this is Munchen Hauptbahnhof. You will leave Munchen Hauptbahnhof 8:53. You may take less than 2 minutes, or more than 2 or 5 minutes. Is totally depend on the transportation system. Sometimes they may delay, and sometimes they may faster. Yeah, when you will leave Munchen Hauptbahnhof, platform number 35. PI means that platform number. Okay, platform number 35, and after that you have to go platform number 31, and this is also Munchen Hauptbahnhof. You may take 10 minutes, because Munchen Hauptbahnhof mean Munchen Central Station. Munchen means Munich Central Station, and this is so so big station. And from Munchen Hauptbahnhof or Munich Central Station, you have to take the train from platform number 38C. This is the third transfer, and the train name is RE1. And you will see also train name when you will go platform number 31. Okay, and the train destination is Neuberg Hauptbahnhof, but you will have to live in Ingolstadt. Okay, so how many station you will get Ingolstadt after 3 station? The number 4 station is Ingolstadt, and it will reach 9:51 in Ingolstadt. You will leave Ingolstadt platform number 7. You will live in platform number 7. Then you will go out from the train station, and from the train station front of the Hauptbahnhof you will get bus station, and from from Ingolstadt Hauptbahnhof you will take the bus. The bus number is 11, and it will leave 10:02 from Ingolstadt Hauptbahnhof. Then you have to see, actually there are many stoppages. After all these stoppages you will get Hauptbahnhof Ingolstadt Audi. I mean, actually I will go this place. So if I am giving you the summary is I have to sometime you do not have any what it's called, any transfer directly. You can go by one transport. Sometime you may take two transfer, one transfer, yeah, and more than two. It's really depend on how far you will go. So if I am summarize you, first of all you have to setting up your active here, your active, and on this faster, I mean show the faster connection on this, and make sure done. Here is a done, and then go to what it's called, go to options. Okay, here you must have to on the D-ticket services, not below 2. This must be off, then also done. And then there is a 2 search bar on the top of the application. Then you first search bar is where you are, write down where you are or share your present location, and then also write down where you want to go, your destination places in the below. Okay, then search it. Yeah, this is also another thing, that date and time always share now, we mean that present time. This is very important for you. It show that there is no services right now. This is maybe network problem, sometimes it show for network problem. I think there is not, there is a lot of services, but for network issue, yeah, see. And then you will click, yeah, there is a lot of connection, see. And when the journey start, it's also show. First journey is start 8:31, second is start 8:46, third is start 9:26. So I must take the earlier transportation. I click the first transportation, then I see uh, I have to walk, and I have to go Zeitelstrasse München, bus number 53. Then I will leave Harras München, and from Harras München I have to go Harras München train station platform, and platform number 1. Then I will have to go the München Hauptbahnhof Munich Central Station, and I will leave platform number 35. From platform number 35 in the Munich Central Station, I have to go München Hauptbahnhof, platform number 38, and I will have to take the train RE1 4010, and this train will leave for Neuenberg Hauptbahnhof, but I will leave in Ingolstadt, and it will reach in Ingolstadt nearly 9:51. And after that I have to leave the train station, and near the train station there is also bus station. So from this bus station I will take the bus 11 number bus, then I will go the my destination. And sometime if you are new in Germany, then you will not understand where is the train station, where is the platform number this, platform number that. Yeah, you would not know. And sometimes you will also know that where is the bus station. Then you can ask the people, especially I know who a number of you who are in Germany you don't speak in Deutsch, so this is why I am suggesting you to ask younger people, because in Germany a maximum of younger people can speak English, so you can ask them, then they may help you. Yeah, this is all about the transportation system. Yeah, DB, you can use DB application. This is all over the Germany, especially in different city has different faster application, but you can use also DB navigator, no problem, all over the Germany service. You can see from here. You also use BZI application, but BZI is especially for Ingolstadt state, who are staying in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Bayern, sorry. Yeah, then you can also the same way your destination, your location and your destination, then they will also show you like DB navigator. And who you are living in Munich, you can use Ambigo. And different cities have different applications, so where you are staying, try to know which application is suitable for you. And if there is no specific application, you can use DB navigator, because DB navigator is a wonderful application. It's cover all over Germany's transportation. So yeah, this is all about how to use transportation. Thank you so much. And yeah, waiting for the next video. I will try to upload another important video for you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yeah, stay with us. Thank you so much, guys.